welcome back to my video. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because, my name is Shayla Jai for those that are new here. Oh, okay, anyways, I am very excited. I'm very excited today because I just got this in the mail. Like, I just got this in the mail and I'm just like, woo! So this is the Ipsy, and the regular Ipsy bag is, I believe $10 a month, and you do get about 5 items there, but they're like really small sample size. So, and then the my eye is like leaking. And then the Glam Bag Plus is all full size makeup items and skincare items also. But it is $25 a month. But yeah, it includes like your full size makeup items. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's open it up. Come on. I am so excited. Oh, and I will leave my link and stuff in the description down below. Yeah, for this. Okay. So when you open it, it is nicely packaged, and it does say, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." That's cute. So that's the packaging. Alright, and you do, is this the card? Oh, so you get a card. You get a card for the month, and it also has everything inside, everything that's inside the box, the price, what it's valued at, what it retails for. Yeah, so this here. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. I see like a little wrap thing here. This is cute. Okay, so I don't know. I don't think you guys can see this very well. It's probably not in focus. But this is a pink nail polish bottle. Now I think mine is binted. I think mine is like really, or it's like that. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. So this, so this retails for, let me see, okay. So this retails for $18. It's stuck in a beauty rut. This powder pink polish is the stuff of dreams, super shiny, chip resistant, and 8 free, aka no harmful chemicals. Plus it's cruelty, paraben, and phthalate free. The unique candle was designed to look rough yet refined, kind of like real life. So okay, so it is supposed to look like this. So this is really cool. I like it. Okay, next so next I'm just gonna grab, I'm just gonna grab some. So this is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is the, what is it? From Thrive Cosmetics. This is their Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Ooh, I've heard good things about this mascara, so I'm so excited to try it. So it has some weight to it. Ooh, look at the wand. The wand is nice. Okay, so the Thrive Cosmetics mascara retails for $24. And like I was saying before, I don't know if I got it or not, that this does have some weight to it. And I love my makeup to have weight to it. It's just, I don't know, it just feels better in the hand. Okay, so that is done. So next up we have, okay, so we have brushes. So I know my camera like won't focus, so I don't know. Oh, these are so cool. So these are Farrah brushes. Oh, those are so cool. So you get like a, oh, it's soft. It's really thin. Really thin though. I love these brushes. We have like a little pencil brush, a cool little eyeliner brush. We have like a little packing brush, it looks like, a shadow brush, and more of a blending brush. Oh, this is awesome. I love getting brushes in my subscriptions because brushes are a lot of, sometimes there's something I just don't really go out and go buy, so having brushes that comes in my boxes, I'm all for it. I live for it. So that's awesome. So this set retails for $50. Oh my god, really? I don't know if I would pay $50 for this, honestly. They're really, so I'm so excited for this one. I can't even talk. So this item is the balm, and you can't even focus. I'm so sorry. This is the balm of your hand. Greatest Hits Volume 2. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh, they're like little minis. So we have the bronzers, Bahama Mama, Down Boy, Frat Boy. This is in Stain. Mary Lou, Luminizer, Matte Russo, Alice Cooper, Firm, and Matt Reed. So that is so pretty, and I'm gonna swatch these. You know, I'm just gonna swatch these. I have Mary Luminizer, and I love that highlighter. That is such a metallic highlighter. So then I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Oh. They feel really nice. I like them. And it has a mirror. I love this. This is so cool. Here's some on the back of my hand, and then some kind of, oh, that's weird how I swatched that. So some kind of like right there. But yeah. So we have these. Not sure if you can really see. If you can really see that, but that is really cool. This palette. So yeah. Okay, last but not least. Oh wait, no, I didn't tell you how much that retails for. So this retails for $32. So yeah. Okay, last but not least, we have the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I like Murad, I think how you say it. I like their products. They have, like, their skincare is really good. This is a huge bottle. Look how huge that is. That's a huge one. Okay, so this one, let me read on the box. Intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of salicylic lactic and glycolic acids. Polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation. Reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. I need this in my life. Because I'm going to be like, wrinkles, where? Dullness, where? Woo! Okay, yeah, but yeah. You get a full bottle of the Murad Exfoliating Cleanser. Cannot wait to use it. The cleanser retails for $39. So that's not bad considering I only paid $25 for the box. And I got all these goodies. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me go ahead and add up the total. So I'm going to add the total up. $163. My box for the month of August is the total of $136, which is awesome because I only paid $25. Yeah, so So that's everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag in the month of August. So that's it for this video. That is it for this video. If you want to see how I got this look on my face, go ahead and go on my Instagram. Go on my Instagram, that I will link it down below, and you can see how I got this thing going on. Okay, my link and everything is going to be down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. If I want to hear your comments, I want to hear your thoughts about this box. What do you guys think about this box? Is it great? Is it bad? Is it okay? I want to know. Also, that pretty much wraps up this video, so thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like button, and that's it. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.